Come test drive the 2022 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.